You know, friends, sometimes you have these last pieces of bread in your bag. And the funny thing is, a lot of people, not the funny thing, but a lot of people like to throw them away. So, here is what I like to do, guys. So, friends, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. So, I had that bread, you saw that, and I'm going to top it with some romaine lettuce, some radishes, some onions, bell peppers, and some goat cheese. And let me show you what I'm going to do with that. Okay, friends, you know, I got those pieces of bread. What I'm going to do is, in the toaster, well, there's only 3 little small pieces here, and let's toast them first. Alright, friends, after toasting it, I'm gonna decorate this a little bit. Put that goat cheese on each of these guys. Next thing, I think I'm gonna use the onions on there. Here, a little bit on each one. Spread it out. Let's do the radishes. Nice. Bell peppers on there. Go for it. And last, some of that romaine lettuce. Just let it just put it on a plate like that. Friends, looks pretty good. Now there's some more stuff going on there. Put some freshly ground pepper. And I'm doing some lemon juice. And I'm getting it out of the bottle. And at the end, guys, some extra virgin olive oil. Just like that. Friends, there we have it. Hey, just take your fingers. Wow. You see, you don't waste any bread, just like that. It's a great appetizer. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.